So what have I got here? I've got a 2012-13 Panini signatures.
Panini.
4 cards per pack.
That's good.
4.
That's value.
I've never opened up a Panini signatures, so
Yeah.
the cards look alright from what I've seen online. Hopefully I can get a nice Kobe auto.
Kobe.
Well, you know, it's Christmas, so you never know. Hopefully Santa can,
Yeah.
you know, bring me some good luck.
Maybe it'll be these harder.
Panini signatures. Is that in focus?
Well, they're in the dodgy looking packaging there.
Why?
That's the normal packaging for them.
Looks like Kit Kat.
That looks like Willy Wonka.
Double the
Willy
Kit
Wonka.
Kat.
Willy Wonka.
Alright, so limited edition. Ooh, Derek Rose, 20 of 25.
That's a good one.
That's nice. Who's this guy? Chris Copeland. Alright, that's cool. That's cool. And that is limited to... Doesn't have a pseudonym on it. Bernard James. Auto.
Ooh.
Jeff Taylor.
Ooh.
Auto.
Ooh.
Have a look at that one. It's got like film on it. Is that picking
Oh,
it
that's
up?
nice. That's creative.
Yeah. And then the final one is Harrison Barnes. A 1 of 1. Only one of these. A 1 of 1 Harrison Barnes. Nice.
Wow, you know how rare that is?
Wow, 1 of 1. How good is that?
You got a one.
A 1 of 1.
Wow.
Who's he play for?
Golden State Warriors. A 1 of 1. Nice.
That's what he thinks of it.
I start the chopper up now.
That's cool. 1 of 1. Only one in the world. Only if it was autographed, it would
Well,
have
that's
been
the
really
only
nice.
one
But
ever.
Wow.
that's what a 1 of 1 actually means.
That's very rare.
So make sure, leave a comment. You got any questions, let me know. Check out all the details down below.
Oh, damn.
Thanks for watching and have a great Christmas.